This is a hard ass training. Really sucks on the calves. It's just getting the momentum. You know, there's a few potholes and stuff that they're just trying to overcome. So just playing about with a few different trainers and stuff. Not got proper climbing shoes, which would probably be best. But yeah, keep digging away. See how we go. Round 2. And 1, go back down to the beginning. A little bit easier, I suppose. Fucking hard work. Losing 6 stone in the past couple of years certainly made me a lot lighter. It could be a lot easier having a rope to pull as well in front of you, but good. It's all on the legs though. Smoking the quads. Can't seem to keep my toes pointed, pushing my calves. After the first 20 meters or so, the calves are smoked, so basically just putting a lot more pressure through the ankle, trying to push it on a wider, or sorry, a narrower range of movement, and just try and push with the quads and the glutes all together. But third time, let's give it a go.
Don't embarrass me, no.
The main challenge I think I'm going to have trying to prepare for this one, ironically, is that I'm obviously trying to help a bunch of clients with calorie deficit stuff at the minute. So leading by example and all that sort of stuff. Don't you know, you got to practice what you preach. Running a calorie deficit at the minute, and I've probably lost another 7 pounds or so over the last 2 months. And something like this, there's no rope to pull, so it's all on body weight really, and if you've got the endurance in your legs. So another 2 stone, you know, naturally nice would be okay. I think I could get another half a stone from healthy eating, just putting myself into a calorie surplus. But we'll keep pushing on. I think there's a lot of technique stuff to be developed on there. I'll probably get some different shoes or something, to be honest. But no, happy with the first one. If you've got any ideas, if you've got any thoughts, it's a long time since I've done any strongman stuff, so hit me with some advice. Where am I going wrong? What would you try differently? Appreciate the support, and I'll let you know how I get on. See you soon.